Let's see, look at this bird humping. Look, she is straight up doing it too. Look. Marty, what is wrong with you? Making sure you go get pregnant.
Yeah, and look at his green too.
Uh-huh.
Marty might be a boy.
Oh my God. Look at this crispy bird. Oh, I know it ain't the bag. What the heck are you doing, Marty? Oh my God. Ugh, that is too nasty. Look, Austin, look how her tail or his tail going. Look, then she did a spread the eagle. Ooh, look.
What? She done.
I think so.
You got it all. Pause it.
OMG, this crazy ass bird. Look. That motherfucker turned to an eagle or some shit.
Let's see. I want to see the video.
Look. Look. That's dumb. Oh my God, Marty. I'm so mad you doing my baby feet like this. Oh my God.
She is funny. I know how to stop her. Can you stop the video? I'm stopping it.
Yeah.
Thanks.